What made you want to upload that old mixtape to Spotify from like 8? Because a lot of people have been like, yo, where can I find the mixtape? And people didn't know how to find it. So I said, you know, let me upload it. Because I forgot all about it. That's what's up. Shout out to my brother, Dr. Khan Lazarus. Shout out to Naptown. Love Naptown. I've been good, Ryan. I've been good. Vaccine was way fire. Oh, you talking about the song? Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Man, it's chilly, man. What about, you know what's funny? I just talked to R.A. yesterday. R.A. hit me, man. I love R.A. That's my brother. His album he put out last year is a fucking hip-hop classic. Hands down. Like, I listened to that whole album several times, and I just love it. I put on that album when I'm cleaning my house. Oh. Yeah, said I'd love to hear you with Toby. Yeah, me and Toby had talked about doing some stuff. We just need to find the right track. So he said he had something that he had in mind. So, you know, whenever he lets me know, I'm ready to go. Locksmith is Muslim. Yes, I am. Hate the fact that there's only 45 people in here. I mean, shit. I appreciate every 45 of you guys. How much for a verse? Just curious for the future. No, there's no curiosity. You got to be, when you're ready to work, do business. You got to be ready. Who do I listen to besides myself? Of course, I listen to all my folks. But I be listening to mostly like old stuff, man. I'm a rapper and a Nigerian. I want to show the world. Okay, show them the world, man. Show the world that you show the world. Readily, regrettably expose what's in the mirror. You can't be quoting anybody who spits against eugenics on Sway is the go to me. I appreciate it. You caught that line, huh? Respect that was trying to disrespect or anything, just hate seeing people. Yeah, I mean, I don't worry. You know what, man? If you worry about numbers, you'll be depressed in this game. So I try not to worry about numbers, man. You can't worry about views, or you just got to put out dope work, be proud of it, and let it marinate with people, let it spread. You know, sometimes dope shit takes time, man. So, you know, sometimes the shit that you don't think is gonna be grab people's attention is the shit. So you just gotta do shit that you're proud of, you know. Would I ever be down to do a track with Rich? Yeah, hell yeah. Russ talked about how depressed he was after all he's done. After all he's depressed now. How do you get to the level you are lyrically? I don't know, man. I mean, I just been practicing my whole, for years. You and Freddie Gibbs would be fire. Yeah, Freddie Gibbs is dope, man. Shout out to Freddie Gibbs, man. He getting rap nominations. He's doing great things. I've only met Freddie once or twice, but just a good person, man. Good brother. I met him briefly. Yeah, me and Echo are shooting some visuals. We're shooting some visuals soon. Yeah, I actually collaborated with Royce a long time ago, so I think it would be dope for us to do something again. Yeah, man, it doesn't even make you happy, man. You don't understand, man. Like, you get success is how you define it, you know. Of course we want all those things, but sometimes if you got to be grateful for what you have, you know, because you'll always be searching, trying to get that next thing. To me, I try to just focus and do things that I love and that I'm proud of and that I feel good about. Somebody said, y'all need to listen to Frontline for real. Go back and listen to some of the classic Frontline. I'm tired. Somebody said, I'm trying to hear you and Larry June. You know, I didn't even realize Larry June is from the Bay, right? I think my food is ready. All right, y'all. I think my food is ready. My food's supposed to be ready at 7:02. So album is coming. Project is coming. So I'm about to hop off of here and get some food, because it's about that time. So appreciate you guys. I love you guys.